everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Jackson and this is Chris. He will be buddy boxing the Freewing AL-37 maiden flight today. We have it in the Ryanair scheme as a joke known for their hard landings. So that'll be that's just a joke I had, but I like this game. Either way, we are at Rick's Hobby Farm. It is a beautiful day, perfect weather, just a little wind, which is what we need for this to generate enough lift to finally get it up in the skies, which is what we're aiming to do. So we are going to walk back and get this bad boy up in the air. All right.
Sounds good. You got your flaps on?
Got my flaps. We are ready to roll.
All right, you're on safe.
Safe.
I have safe on.
All right, sounds good.
Okay, I got the you have control.
Sounds good. We got flaps on.
Come over here, Jackson.
Sure. That was me. That was.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Good.
Oh boy.
How's she feel?
She's definitely gonna need a little trimming.
Okay. You got a lot of headwind, so just keep that in mind.
Yep.
Bring it around.
She's turning. She's turning. Slowly but surely.
Looking good.
She doesn't like to turn the most, but at least she's turning.
Okay.
Look at that.
Looks nice.
That looks amazing. She's not the best in high speed, so I'm going to bring the speed down just a little bit.
It's not a fighter.
No, it is not. And it's definitely not a Durafly EF Extra, so it is not a race plane. It is meant to be flown nice and calm.
Just file it, scale. Make your turn. Nice.
This is looking good. Look at that.
Nice. Oh.
Ooh.
A little bit of wind.
It's all right.
Just be ready for it.
Yep. Gotta be ready for anything. Trimming her out a little bit.
Bring it around. Way out there.
She is.
That looks good. Give it a little more power. Yep. Watch that wind. Good. And don't go as far out on your last turn.
Yep. I'm gonna do probably one more pass and then bring her in.
Okay. Make your turn. That looks good. Nice.
All right. Time to start the approach.
Gear down. I'd say mid flaps. You don't need full flaps in this wind.
Gear down.
Nice.
Oh boy.
Work it around. Looking good. Line her up. All right, you got plenty of runway, so you want to bring it on down. Keep working on down this way. A little more, a little more. Good, good. Nice.
And there it is. That's the AL-37 flight. Hope you all enjoyed. If you live in the area, come to Rick's Hobby Farm. It's fun, free, and I already mentioned the most important part. It's fun. So if you're not in the hobby, get into it. That's all I'm going to say. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Awesome, Jackson.